Will now be recorded.
Yeah, hi, I'm Rajesh Tigula. Today we are going to discuss the continuation part of C++ control statements. In the last class, we have completed operator concepts. If you have not followed that video, just go through. It is available in our playlist. Now we'll start with the control statements. Now you can see here. See, first, what is a control statements? Which alter the flow of execution is called control statements. Which alter the flow of execution. Okay. See, there are two types of control statements are available: conditional control statements and unconditional control statements. One is a conditional control statements. Second one is called unconditional control statements. When you are going conditional, there are two types: decision making and looping statement. One is a decision making and one is a looping statement. And unconditional, it is a jump statements. And unconditional is nothing but jumping statements. Now you can see here once again. What is the control statements? Which alter the flow of execution is called control statement. There are two types. One is a conditional control statements and unconditional control statement. Conditional two types: decision making and looping. Then unconditional is called jumping statement. Now we are going to discuss first what is a conditional control statements. See, in that two types are there. One is the decision making and second one is a looping statement. First we will do decision making. In that decision making, if else, nested if, switch, this four are come under the decision making. If else, nested if, and switch. I think if you know C programming my videos, almost this is also the similar only, but one or other one more control set, like one more control statements added, like that what extra it is there. Now we'll discuss in the last. One is a if else, nested if, and switch. And when comes to the looping statement, while loop, do while, for, this is the looping statement: while loop, do while, and for. And next, if you go for unconditional statements, in that jumping statements, break, continue, go to, return. Break, continue, go to, return. This is a unconditional. And note here, if and for loop, if loop and for loop will work with objects also. See, it is a C++ programming. It is like a object oriented programming. In that object oriented programming, and this control statements we can use, one is called if and one is called for, and one more also is there, range. In that we are using the for loop. Okay, we will discuss that programs also. Now we'll continue with the first one is called if. Okay, I think as of clear. Okay, now we'll see the if syntax. See, first if with the condition. If a condition is true, first statement 1 is going to execute. This is for only if. When statement is wrong, this is statement 1 is not going to execute, you will not get any output. Okay, if it is there, if it will check the condition is true, it will execute. If you go else part, if you want to print, we need to go to if else. Here what it is happening, if with the condition, if the condition is true, statement 1 is going to execute, else statement 2 is going to execute. Either statement 1 or statement 2 is going to execute. This is for true condition and this is for false condition. Okay, now we'll see one program for that using if. Okay, now what are the softwares we can use using for C++? We can use either Turbo C software or Developer C also we can use it. Either we can use Turbo C or we can use Developer C. Now it is very easy for Developer C. Now I'll go for that. And some college people they'll do it in Turbo C. According to your college, you need to follow. Okay, here first line is hash include IO stream. Hash include IO stream. If you are using Turbo C, IO stream dot h you should write it. Next, using name space std. Okay, next use int main. Okay, next bracket open. I'm taking int x comma y. In the last class we used like how to read a value, that I'm applying now. Enter two values. Okay, see in x y. Okay, now I'm writing a condition if x greater than y. What is the condition I'm mentioning? X greater than y. Then directly I'm opening that. See out big number is okay less than x semicolon. Okay, now I'm writing here return type. Is it a compulsory return? No need. Okay, but it's a coding standard we should follow. Okay, now I'm running this. First I need to save this with a different name, some name I'm saving. But it is recommended proper names you need to keep, because to save the time I'm taking different name. But according to the coding standard you should be write the same name, like this is for if demo or if else demo, like that, or two numbers big. Okay, like that you need to write it. Now I'm running the code. Okay, enter two values 10 and 20. I am not getting any output because of I am using if condition. If here condition x is equal to 10 it is taking, y is equal to 20 it is taking, 10 greater than 20. Okay, condition is false. That's why it is not going to execute this, because of this is a true part. Now run. I'm entering 200 and 100. Now we'll see. Big is 200. Why? This is the 200 greater than 100. Condition is true. That's why it is executing the first part. Okay. This is the program for if using C++. Okay. Just I am copying that. Okay. Next. Now else part. See, everything is same here. Just else. I should add next to this line. Okay. Here I need to add big is y. Okay, and this is only example for relational operator. Okay, in the second chapter I told I will continue that in the control statement. This is the example, you can write it. Okay, now file save as. That's why if you are following my videos, the terminology also will get very easily. Sometime I'll give the connectivity to reduce the length of the video. Execute, run. If any doubts are there, you can comment it. Now 10, 20. See, now the false condition also it is coming because of 10 greater than y. Condition is false. It will not execute this. It is going to execute this part. Okay, this is the program for using if else. Okay, now I am copying this. Okay, next. Same, I am taking x, y, comma, z. Okay, my code is like I want to print big number among three values. Okay, now enter three values. So if you are following notes, is very easy. To save the time only, I'm going little bit fast. Some people may notice, some people it is, if you know C programming, it is like a normal speed only. X greater than Z. Okay, now here just one more bracket. See, here big number is x. Here I am writing else if. This is a nested if. Using more than one if is called nested. Y greater than z. Mistake. Y greater than z. Big is y else. Okay, now here I am writing big number is z. Now you can see the code. Just I'm taking a three variables x, y, z, x greater than y, and here I need to use a blend. This is the logical operator, this is the conditional operator, and this is the logical operator. And when x greater than computation between x with y and x with z, then x is the bigger. Now computation over. Now the remaining y and z we need to see which is the greater one. Now y with z, it is printing with y and it is printing with z. Now I'm saving this program, some name. Okay, save. Okay, execute the code. Okay, enter three values 10, 20, 30. Okay, see, this is the way I'm writing 10, 20, 30. But in the same code, we are developing the code, and some testers are how they are checking. Just run, they'll give random like 20. Second value they'll give big, and they'll check whether it's working or not. See, it is working. And testers they will do run now 30, 20. Now I am giving z value big. See, for all three cases it is working. Okay, so this is the program for big number among the three values. Okay, next I'm pasting this. Okay, now I'm saving this. Next, switch program. Okay, see, for switch program everything is the same here, just I need to delete this. Okay, now see, I am writing a comment to understand switch switch. Okay, now everything is same. IOStream namespace. Here I am taking x, y, z, comma c also I am taking. C for choice. Now enter C out. Okay, here I am writing one for addition, C out, two for subtraction, okay, C out, three for multiplication, multiplication, next C out, fourth for division. Okay, okay, here I am applying to get line by line slash and escape character I am using. Okay, now here it is taking after 1, 2, 3. Now it is asking for enter two values. Just I am taking the two values only. Okay, x and y I am reading. C out, enter two values. I am taking this. Now here I am C out, enter choice. I need to put double quotes. Enter choice. Okay, now that choice I am reading with the C in. Okay, with the C. Okay, so as of clear, I think taking a variable x and y, I am taking a variable of C, and I am taking one more variable z. For calculation purpose, I took that. Now next I'm writing a switch loop. See SWI switch with choice. Okay. Now here the syntax we need to follow. Okay. First case one. If it is case one, okay, colon. Now formula will be there. Z is equal to x plus y. See, I have already declared Z. Now C out, okay, slash n, the addition of two numbers. Okay, after that less than Z. Okay, now I need to write after this break. Okay, this is the first loop done. Same I'm copying to save the time. Okay, this is for case 2. Here I'm writing minus, this is of subtraction. Okay, next I'm taking case 3. Okay, this is here I'm writing multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Now I'm writing one more break. Next I'm writing the case 4. Okay, now here in the case 4 I'm writing this x divided by y. Okay, next here I'm writing the division. Division of, now break. See, if it is my condition 1 2 3 4, if it is not there, directly it will go to default. Okay, default cout slash n. Okay, here I am writing invalid. Okay, now semicolon. Okay, now I'll make it in proper order. Case 3, case 4. Okay, now down it is a return statement. Now you can see, observe, first I'm writing a variables, and for this is for displaying, and this is for reading a two values, and this is reading for choice. If choice is first, then it will go to this. Choice is second, it will go this. Choice is third, it will go this. Choice 4, it will go this. Okay, now I am saving, save as in the desktop with some name. Okay, now I'm running. If any errors are there, it will show. Okay, see, 1 2 3 4 it is showing, and it is asking enter two values. Okay, now I am entering 20, enter 30. See, enter choice, which choice you want. I want addition first. The addition of two numbers is 50. Okay, once again I am running one more. Execute, run. See, addition, subtraction, multiplication, enter two values, 30, 20. I want this choice is 2, subtraction. Okay, two numbers is 10. Okay, see, now for example I am not writing a break. What is going to happen now? Before that, I'll check in, enter the values 10, 20. I don't want to enter 1 2 3 4. I want to enter other number 5. So it is showing invalid. Okay, next, here I am commenting this break. The comment is nothing but just I don't want to show this code to my compiler. And it is a good behavior, write the comments in every program. Good programming practice. Okay, now break 1, 2, 3, 4. Breaks are there. Now I'm running the code. Say 10, 20. I want to addition, but it is coming. Now I need to save as. This is the problem with this software. Compulsory, I need to save as, then only it is recognizing. Run as. See now 10, 20. See now I am selecting option is 1. See when I am taking option is 1, addition will come. We are not using a break there. If it is break is not there, it will go to second case, it will go to third case, fourth case, and it will go to default also. See addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, and it is invalid. That means why we are using the break. Break is used to come out from the loop. Okay, break is used to come out from the loop. Okay, now this is about switch. Just I am pasting here. Okay, next. Okay, after this we'll go for looping statement. See in that looping statements, yeah, while loop, do while, for loop we need to discuss now. Now we completed this decision making. If else, nested if, and switch. See nested if is nothing but using if condition more than one time. Okay, now directly we'll go for while loop. Let's put it in here, while loop. Okay, so anything repeatedly if you are doing that, we should use inside a loop. Okay, now I'm deleting the code. Okay, now you can see here I don't want these variables also. Okay, see now first as include iostream.h, and using namespace this library is required, and this is I don't want this because of this is for while loop. Now I am taking int x equal to 1. Int x is equal to 1. Now what I want to print 1 to 10 values. Say while x less than 10. Okay, now I need to open the bracket. Now see out x. Okay, if you want in double quotes directly, you can use endl or sort of slash and also fine. Okay, now x. Now increment x is equal to x plus 1. Okay, now I look. I think this is extra. See first it will take 1 less than or equal to 10 condition is okay, then it will print take 1. After that it will increase to 2. 2 less than or 10. Okay, condition okay, 2 will print. Next 3. 3 less than or equal to 10. Like that up to 9 it will print. If you are using less than or equal to symbol, then 10 also will print. Now file, save as on the desktop, some name dot c plus plus, execute, run. Okay, say 1 to 10 it is printing. See in the same program, if you are taking in the place of 2, odd numbers you will get. Okay, now run the code. I need to save as. Okay, now execute, run the code. See 1, 3, 5, 7. If you want even numbers where I need to do the modification, no modification here, just you need to save here 2. Okay, now file, save as on the desktop, some name, execute, run. Okay, now we are getting even numbers. Okay, this is about the while loop. While is for checking the condition and sending inside. Okay, now I'm copying this code. Okay, now I'm pasting here. Okay, next do while loop. See, do while loop is alternative for while loop. Okay, do while is alternative for while loop. Okay, I'll tell the difference also. See, now everything is same. Just I need to delete it here. Int x is equal to 1. Okay, after this I need to do. Okay, inside I need to write this code. Okay, next while x less than. Okay, next here is a semicolon. Okay, now I need to close this. One, two, this is okay, one thing, and this is the second thing, and this is the third. Okay, now I'm saving this. I'll save as in the desktop. Okay, execute, run. Okay, say return statement, return maybe extra. Okay, save, execute, run. Oh, warnings 3135 is the code for one file save as the desktop. Okay, save, execute, run the code. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 it is coming. See, now you can observe it. See, do here we should write a condition. Sorry, you write a statements, and after that it is a statement checking. See, while loop is for checking the condition before and sending inside, but do while is not like that. First it is asking go inside. After that I'll check. Okay, where according to performance wise, while loop is good, but do while is not good because of we are sending without checking. Understood? See that one example when you are withdraw money from the ATM, some machines they are asking enter PIN number first only. Some machines they are asking after entering denominator it will ask. Okay, and which loop is better to use means performance is while. But if you are asking in the interview room, you should tell based on my requirement I will use the loop. Okay, we should not tell this is good, this is not bad, it is all are alternatives. Okay, next one more loop is called for loop. Say for loop is nothing but everything in single line. Writing for int x equal to 1, x less than 10, x equal to x plus 1. Okay, initialization, condition checking, and increment, everything in single line. Okay, now here I am writing c out less than x less than c. Instead of double mm, slash n, I can use end l also. Okay, now this is the returning. Now I am saving this file, save as the desktop. Okay, save. Now execute, run. Yes. If any errors are there, it will show. Say no errors, it is printing. Okay. This is called initialization. This is called condition checking. This is called increment. Okay. Now you can see here. And whether you are not writing this, compiler will not give any problem. If you are not writing this, also not a problem. If you are not writing this is also. These are all optionals. Okay. Whether you are writing also, not writing also, compiler will not give it, but it will not, it will go to infinite loop. Okay, next we will go for go to, and go to is one thing is pending, and continue is also one pending, and one more return. Okay, and range based loops. Okay, that will continue in the next session. Okay, before that just I am explaining what and all we covered now. See, control statement which alter the flow of execution is called control statement. Two types of control statements are there: conditional control statements and conditional. Conditional decision making, looping will come. Unconditional, it will come jumping statement. Okay, in that decision making, if else while, if else nested if switch will come, And if we go for looping, while, do while, for, and unconditional in that jumping statement, break, continue, go to, return. Okay, these four things we need to learn, and we should learn with this if with range based function. For this is also we need to learn. Okay, now we have completed if else with one program. After that, taking a three numbers big number, that is also done. Okay, after that, switch program also. After switch, the next one is while loop, do while, for, and switch. Okay, as of now we have completed all the, like, very few control statement. Another four or five is left, that will continue in the next session. Okay, now anything, if you have a doubt, you can comment it, and I'll message the notes. You can follow our channel. Okay, thank you for all.